Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Meritrust Business app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Meritrust Business is a mobile banking app designed to help business owners manage their finances conveniently and securely. Originally built for Meritrust Credit Union's business members, the app provides full control over accounts, transactions, and cash flow management from anywhere. It's available on both iOS and Android and offers a range of digital tools to simplify day-to-day banking tasks. The app's main feature is its real-time account access, allowing users to view balances, monitor transactions, and transfer funds instantly between accounts. It also supports mobile check deposits, bill payments, and ACH transfers, making it easy to handle business payments on the go. With advanced security features and customizable user permissions, it's designed to keep your company's finances protected while maintaining flexibility for multiple team members. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Meritrust Business for its smooth interface, secure login, and time-saving banking tools. The ability to manage multiple business accounts in one place and deposit checks remotely has made financial management easier for many small and medium-sized business owners. The app's reliability and integration with Meritrust's online banking system also receive positive feedback. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some users mention occasional loading delays during peak hours and limited customization options for detailed financial reporting. Additionally, because it's linked to Meritrust Credit Union, only existing members can access its full suite of business banking services. In summary, the Meritrust Business app may be worth using if you're a Meritrust Credit Union member looking for a secure, easy-to-use, and efficient mobile banking experience. However, if you require advanced business analytics or aren't affiliated with Meritrust, it might not be the right fit. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.